Hey guys, for this video, I'm cooking the shrimp scampi kit from Food Network Kitchen's Inspirations. So this is what the box looks like. So in this box, they include ingredients such as linguine pasta, Parmesan cheese, garlic and herb seasoning, and dried onions. The instruction calls for shrimp, obviously, and lemon, so make sure to buy those separately since they don't come in the box. Now make sure to always wash your hands before and after you cook or touch meat. It's just sanitary. Y'all nasty if you don't. Now I am going to detail all the shrimp in the bowl. The box has a specific amount of shrimp you're supposed to have, but I love shrimp, so I need to put more in there for my liking. You can put in as much as you want. This is how the shrimp looks after being detailed. This meal kit comes with instructions and swearsies. This is easy to make. You first put butter in the pan on low to medium heat. Now that the butter has melted, you can put the shrimp in the pan. Now put the lid on top of the skillet to trap in the heat. At this point, your shrimp should be shrunken and non-rubbery. So now you can put it in a different bowl and we can move on to the next thing. Now that we put the shrimp in another bowl, now we can boil the linguine pasta with water. Oh my god, but for real guys, like why did I put the pasta in like that? Like that's not even, I'm just ashamed. Also put in the dried onions and garlic seasoning. So I had to put in more water because on the box it recommended 1/4 of a cup, but that is obviously not enough. These are little noodles, but they need more than 1/4 of a cup. Again, put the lid back on the skillet to trap in more heat so the noodles can cook. As you can see, the noodles are softening up, and now you can put in your cooked shrimp from earlier. Also put the Parmesan cheese packet in and a tablespoon of butter. Stir until the butter is melted. In the instructions, they recommend to squeeze the lemon afterwards, but I like to cook my lemon in with it. And of course, I didn't get out all the seeds, so one fell in there, and you'll see me picking it up in a second. After it's cooked thoroughly, turn off the heat and put it to the side. This can serve 2 people, and you can put it on a plate and make it fancy, but since it's basically for me, I just put it in Tupperware. Here's a montage of the shrimp scampi after it's been cooked. Now it's time to taste it. Muy delicioso. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna cook up some more stuff later on, and yeah, subscribe. Peace out.